Hey guys, final preparations have been made for the National Senior Welding Competition here at Kentucky Welding Institute. We got a lot of great scholarships and a lot of great prizes. We're going to go over some of the sponsors and let them be thanked and be known. We hope to see you here tomorrow. So this year's trophies were once again made by Stephanie Hoffman at Underground Metal Works. She's done an awesome job with these trophies for the top 10. In addition, scholarships going out, $14,000, $12,000, and $10,000 to those top 3 folks. So we got prizes from SMC Sawyer Manufacturing Company, the Hinton Mills Organization, Outlaw Leather with some KWI custom welding hoods. The UA stepped in with a lot of Milwaukee tools. Up in Smoke Welding Apparel has donated. Heavy Hitters TIG rigs. A lot of custom KWI hats going out. We've got Lincoln gear bags. We've got Lincoln totes. We've got Lincoln backpacks. Pipeliners Cloud has came in with some awesome carbon fiber welding hoods. Once again, we got some more Sawyer materials. Lincoln Electric stepped up. Top 5 are going to get a Lincoln TIG rig and the new 2x4C series lens, good to 5 amps. Milwaukee tool sets, the Sawyer grinder holder, Sawyer bucket. Going on and on with a lot of these prizes. Coming back around, you got more Sawyer equipment, Lincoln Electric stuff. Jumping up the top, look, we got 2 giant Pipeliners Clouds. The Millermatic 211 welder over on the far right with the Power MIG Lincoln 210. Up at the top, the Lincoln Ranger. Out in the middle, the ESOB Rogue welder. And once again, over there on the left, that Miller Bobcat, followed by that Millermatic 211. So the top 5 people are walking away with a welder. If you're in the top 10, you're going to get a big pile of prizes. Can't wait. See you tomorrow.